Pennsylvania, the home state of beautiful rural countryside and sophisticated metropolitan cities. We really do have it all, don't we? Spring City, PA is home to a unique shop that combines charming rural aesthetic and refined elegance in one-of-a-kind furniture creations at home in the most refined spaces. The Trading Post Depot magically marries old and new to make your environment uniquely amazing. Amazingly unique live edge creations, tables, bar tops, counters, mantelpieces, and anything else you can dream up, all designed and crafted at the Trading Post Depot. Farmhouse tables come to life, blending beautiful history with authentic functionality. Live edge slabs of mahogany, magnolia, maple, and more are waiting for you. Our master craftsman selects the perfectly milled tops representing a variety of beautiful species to fulfill custom orders, and the Trading Post Depot also offers an impressive inventory for a relaxing afternoon of browsing. Either reclaimed, repurposed, or custom fabricated from wood or metal, the legs of our charming tables contribute character, while you pair up seating selected from our treasure-filled warehouse full of delightful objects yard. Just 30 minutes from Philadelphia, we're convenient from everywhere, but like nowhere else you've ever visited. Your dream creation is waiting for you at the Trading Post Depot.